In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Copilot from the Edge address bar. This is a very quick and simple process, and once you know where to look, you can open Copilot in just a few seconds whenever you need it. If you use Microsoft Edge for browsing, this built-in feature makes it easy to get help, ask questions, summarize information, or generate content without leaving your browser window. To get started, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the top right area of the window. This is where you'll usually find several browser controls and icons, including the Copilot icon. It may appear as the Copilot logo, and it's designed to give you quick access to Microsoft's AI assistant directly inside Edge. When you see the Copilot logo, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, a side panel will open on the right-hand side of the browser. This side tab is where Copilot appears, and from here you can begin using it right away. You don't need to open a separate website or switch to another app because everything is built directly into the Edge browser experience. Once the side tab is open, you can start interacting with Copilot by typing in a prompt, question, or request. This can be especially useful if you want help while you're browsing, since Copilot stays available alongside the page you're viewing. That means you can keep your current web page open while also getting assistance in the side panel, which is great for productivity and convenience. If you don't immediately notice the icon, make sure you're looking carefully in the top right corner of Edge, since icon placement can vary slightly depending on your version of the browser or window size. In most cases, though, it should be clearly visible there. And that's all it takes. Open Microsoft Edge, click the Copilot logo in the top right corner, and the side tab will open so you can start using Copilot. It's a fast and straightforward way to access AI help directly from your browser without interrupting what you're doing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find and use Copilot in Microsoft Edge.